Welcome back to Spy Garage. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz STX Motorhome, which combines the luxurious workmanship of upscale leisure life with the sturdy engineering of Mercedes-Benz commercial vehicles, is the epitome of mobile luxury. Regardless of the destination, this car is made for people who expect unwavering comfort and performance. Fundamentally, the STX Motorhome makes use of the powerful Mercedes-Benz chassis, which is well known for its dependability and toughness. Strong performance. You may anticipate a strong, fuel-efficient diesel engine that provides enough torque for smooth long-distance driving. It is probably based on Mercedes-Benz commercial truck lineup. Smooth gear changes are guaranteed by a sophisticated automatic transmission, improving comfort and fuel efficiency. Superior handling. Even on difficult road surfaces, Mercedes-Benz advanced suspension technologies provide a comfortable ride. Lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control are examples of advanced driver assistance technologies that enhance a safe and comfortable driving experience. External features and design. The STX Motorhome's exterior exemplifies both style and practicality. Aerodynamic profile. Fuel efficiency and wind nose are enhanced by sleek, aerodynamic lines that reduce wind resistance. Superior finish and materials produce a high-end look. Integrated facilities. The living area is extended by retractable awnings, generous storage spaces, and optional slide-out portions, resulting in a smooth transition between inside and outdoor living. Modern lighting designs improve sight and foster a welcoming environment. The STX Motorhome's interior is a sophisticated and comfortable haven. Premium materials. To create an opulent and welcoming ambience, anticipate premium leather upholstery, hardwood floors, and handcrafted cabinets. Every element of the interior design exhibits meticulous attention to detail. Advanced technology. A smooth and connected living environment is made possible by cutting-edge infotainment systems, smart home integration, and high-definition entertainment systems. Modern temperature control systems guarantee the best possible comfort in every kind of weather. Roomy living spaces. Comfortable lounging areas, fully functional kitchens, and opulent bedrooms are all features of thoughtfully planned layouts that optimize living space. Utilizing sophisticated technologies to regulate entertainment, lighting, and climate. In the RV industry, the Mercedes-Benz STX Motorhome holds a prominent place, appealing to discriminating clients looking for the pinnacle of transportable luxury. Important things to think about are: high-end market. This motorhome has a price tag that matches its positioning as a high-end product. Customization possibilities. Because this motorhome is positioned in a high-end market, purchasers will have a wide range of customization possibilities to suit their own requirements. Driving and maintenance. Because of its size and complexity, this motorhome requires certain knowledge and equipment to operate. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz STX Motorhome is essentially a masterwork of mobile living, fusing the highest level of comfort and elegance with the finest Mercedes-Benz engineering.